come to the Taiwanese Bay Area art shows. This is a 17th year, and it's really exciting that you can spend your weekend to be here with us. It's really an honor for all the artists. And today we have, actually this year we had some special event for this group. Most of us we had to travel. We had a chance to travel to Alaska, so took a lot of pictures, and also of course the other artists they have visited a lot of places around the world. So most of their artwork reflecting to whatever they sing or whatever they saw. So this time I'd like to introduce all of you for all the artists. They will say a few words, and then we'd like to invite the distinguished guests to say a few words to encourage all the artists. So this time let's start from the main one.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our show. This year we have the three artists absent, but we have to insist to continue our show to the last minute. That it has and showcase our Taiwanese culture to the USA. This year I present a lot of picture and sculpture. I hope everybody enjoy it. Any question comes to me. Thank you.
Dr. Mr. Wang, the art is not just, as you know, for just painting or writing. This art show is really very unique. We have a sculpture. I think that's very unique in the Bay Area. You can go around and see all this artwork. Next one, we have Dr. Jiang.
Hi, good morning, everybody. First of all, thank you for coming here to support us. It is greatly appreciated. My work is in photography. As before, I specialize in landscape and wildlife. So this year, I brought a few here. So when you look at my photos, please pay attention to, other than the technical aspect, I like to emphasize, focus on the mood and the composition and the light. I also bring one wildlife, that is a bird. To me, it's very special. It's an egret during the showing of the plumage, showing of the feathers. That kind of display only happens in mating season in spring. Actually, we went to that spot about maybe 2-3 times in Florida. Each time we spent about 1 week to photograph the birds. And out of the 3 weeks, spending over 3 years time, that's the only one I caught. To me, it's very special. I'm looking for the birds in the back leaf, a very clean background, particularly in shadow in black, so that will make the white stand out very much. So that's my favorite. I hope you like it too. As for my traveling with the advancing age, although it's still traveling, but it's slowing down, and the pace is slower. I hope I can continue for a few more years to come. Again, thank you for coming.
John is a pioneer in the photography in the community, and he has a very good student. That's his wife, Lucy.
My name is Lucy Kian. Shanae is my master.
He's my servant.
Actually, most of us love photography and travel. I just travel around and actually follow Shanae to go every place that she goes. And forgot what to say. And so we always somewhere to take photos. And one day, my friend asked me, "How come you still traveling with this all the heavy stuff, heavy equipment, and the tripod?" At that time, I didn't know what to answer. But now I think I know what to. I have something to answer him because when I joined the photo group to photo, I really appreciate the nature beauty more. So, especially like something like the weather changing, like sunrise, I really love it and enjoy so much to watch, and even some wildlife there or some flower, everything, or birds or something. And second, my other reason is because all the beauty of the environment gave me a lot of inspiration and imagination. And sometimes we went to very cool places to take photo like this year we went to three like Yellowstone in winter, Norway, and Iceland in winter. We can sometimes when the weather is bad, but I can stay somewhere just see some. Actually, people will think that I'm nothing to photo, but I can find something really crystal blue or crystal white or something really nice to photo. That makes me cheap. And the other thing is I realized after I go so many places, I realized I'm so small when I see the vast open space and just feel we are just a little bit tiny person there. That's sometimes really make me feel so good of that. And whenever I go somewhere, if I see some special moment, I love to capture that special moment to make it last for forever, something like that. So all this and make me really busy but happy. Anyways, thank you for listening.
Thank you, Lucy. Actually, she won a lot of competition and got a lot of nice award. Next, we'd like to have Aaron.
Welcome to our show. Lately, I just feel age is not waiting on people. So enjoy every minute you can find the art. That's very important. Enjoy the art. And that's it. Focus on giving all. But I hope you understand how good the age is. So enjoy Taiwan, the culture. We invited from our ancestors. I hope everybody treasure our Taiwan. Enjoy we got to Taiwan. Thank you for coming.
Always respect Helen. She is so excited to join the group. I think she is a role model to the community to encourage. We never give up, to treasure our artists, to promote the culture from Taiwan. And
大家好，我是主任。大家好，我是朱珠环。今天又跟大家见面。我今天想要说的是，我的绘画生涯的一些路程。我一开始画画就选择水彩做我的努力的目标。当我画到一定的程度的时候，我就觉得我的画里面好像缺少什么。后来我就去学书法，苦练了几年，终于把我的作品，总算把我的作品丰富起来，然后看起来有诗意，看起来也很有气质。我除了我自己很喜欢画画以外，我也很喜欢看别人的作品，所以这几年来，我都有在收藏那个艺术品。这些艺术品很多是来自我们自己画会的艺术家们。然后我很佩服自己，很有能耐画到现在。其实更佩服的是我们这些画会的每一个艺术工作者，他们不论年龄多大，无论是身体不是很舒服，可是他们一直都在坚持，还执着于他们心中的挚爱。所以我为什么要收藏他们的画？除了他们作品很好以外，我觉得我收藏的是他们发光发亮的精神。我今天带了3幅那个对联，它应该是那个对联是对着我的那个画来写的对联。我是用那个隶书跟行书字体写出来，因为场地的关系，我没有把画拿出来，所以我就把字那个对联拿出来。可是你可以想象那一幅对联我画的是什么，你们自己也可以去想象你们自己心中的一幅画，好好的去享受。谢谢大家的光临，谢谢。
Thanks again, she really insists on what she loves. And next one, I would like to introduce, and we had a special presentation of Dr. Paul Williams.
Well, thanks for coming for the art show. My name is Paul. Lin is my last name. Originally, I was going to do some kind of a short tale about my artwork, but I have decided just to give you a short introduction of myself and then skip that because it's going to take a long time. I came from Taiwan very early. In 1959, I came here. So it's a long, long time ago. I came to the graduate school in Wisconsin, and after graduation, I went to University of Colorado. Colorado and taught school there. After a while, got tired of teaching and I got into industry and came to Los Angeles to get into the aerospace engineering work. So my real background is in engineering and not in the fine art. And sometimes the engineering type thinking got interfered with my artwork because I'm too so-called square. And my wife tends to call me I have a concrete head. And for the artist, quite often you don't want to be too rigid. But I can't avoid it. I'm a structural engineer by training, so if you see my artwork, you will see that there are a lot of structure in there. And then lacks some kind of artistic touch. Well, that's not, I'm not avoidable. So I'll let you be the judge by looking at my work. By the way, I sign my name in my artwork with my nickname, La Po. That's the nickname given to me by my grandfather. Lao means old. Po is my middle name. So the Lao Po is the one I use to sign my artwork. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming.
Paul, as he said, he's not just a professor. He loved the art from while he was a child, from while he was very young. So his artwork is very special. As you can see, it's an ink and pen. So take a time and he will explain, how detailed he finished the artwork. And this time, I would like to invite our distinguished guests to say a few words to encourage the artists. And first one would be the Deputy Director from TECO.
So I would like to thank John and all the Taiwanese artists for making this exhibition happen. I do hope every one of you not just enjoy the beauty of their artwork, but also look a little bit deeper to their background. And through this, their artwork, you can know more about Taiwan. And just eventually, like me, you will fall in love with Taiwan, and you will support Taiwan. Wish this exhibition all the very success. And thank you very, very much. Thank you.
And next one, I would like to invite the host of this culture center, Lloyd.
Hello everyone. On behalf of Culture Center, I'm so glad we can sponsor today's 17th Bay Area Taiwanese Art Show. I still remember several months ago I went to a Taiwanese art show that took place in the Martin Luther King Library in San Jose. I was so impressed that so many beautiful masterpiece created by the Taiwanese American artists. At that time, I was thinking, if this art masterpiece can exhibit in this center, that would be great. Today, my dream come true. My dream come true. So, welcome everybody, and thanks for Dr. Jiang Xie and all the Taiwanese American artists provide such a wonderful exhibition. I wish all of you enjoy this art masterpiece and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Community leader here is a younger Chen here. This year, as the Director Roy said, we have the opportunity to present the culture in the San Jose's King Library. So it's really an exceptional opportunity and honor. And all the artists present their artwork from April to May for 2 months. And it's a good time that we can present the culture exchange to the broader community in the South Bay. And this year, of course, you will see from the sculpture and every piece of artwork has very deep of the history of Taiwan. And to us, for example, today is a very special day. I know in our hometown, it's a big election day. It really doesn't matter who you support, but the election is all over. And at the back of the display, you will see there's a photo, and it's a Kaohsiung Harbor City. So by looking at that picture, I think it's a mixed feeling for every one of you. It depends on how you feel and what angle you look at it. It really doesn't matter where you stand. We support Taiwan. We hope we will getting better and better. So I really hope that you all will enjoy the culture we present to you. Maybe we have some more guests coming later, but this will be the opening reception for all of you. And this year we miss Monica's cake. However, we still have some dessert for all of you. So hope you enjoy and visit every artwork and then maybe exchange the idea with the artist. Thank you. Thanks for your comment. Had a good picture. 龙虾你两个尔。我看做 video，
拍 video 呀。
扫描了。
听到饱了，困袂饱嘞。Wendy 对。因为你看这里同时奉献哦，所以这个看不见。
那个谁是这里？简玉玲吗？Julie 是不是 Julie？你叫她。郑富美啊。
一般当地杜姐。
哦，郑富美好。哦，不是他，很久没见到了，他比我高。那个叫做什么呀？我都忘了他们，他不是叫经理的。不是，他没有去，不是他，另外一个。Terry 了。
哦，Terry 我把话是对人家知道。
我想一想，我知道你讲谁，因为他 他跟我送给我看了。
这是很多东西哦，这个王老师讲，左边那个哈，这边
你这样进去，旁边，在阿妈旁边，在阿妈旁边，可以。再照一下。文章在那边。好，1、2。